leaving Morzine now. Feels like my home. Ready to go, Paul?
In the stillness somewhere above, the city lights, you're falling in love. Still aware, you know it is true, that you are lost and this is a clue. Love is forever, love is forever.
Bonjour. Bonjour.
Hello. Parlez français?
No.
Your passport and...
Yeah, one sec. Siéntate.
It's a camping car?
Uh-huh. Merci.
Thank you.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Because I looked at him dodging it. I knew I shouldn't have looked at him like that.
Lucid dreaming over Tokyo.
Take Poe to get wormed. Oh, I forgot our book. Yes, I have to take her to get wormed with a little book. Where it is. So she can get back into the UK. Oh, first time into the UK.
With the music still in your ears, you're on your way to conquer your fears.
Ballet. Well, I'm parked an hour away from the ferry. And the gate's locked. So I need to try and get out of this car park, and I thought I'd just fit through here. But then I realised the trees are too low. Hang about.
Turn left onto Boulevard Kursaal, D1406.
Just waiting to get off the ferry now and get through the passport bit, which I've got to admit I'm a little bit nervous about, because I might have some fines that I maybe forgot about. So you hear these stories about people getting arrested at the border for not paying fines from like ages ago and stuff. I don't know. My friend Di works on the ferry, so on the drive off I picked her up. Hello!
Hey.
Alright. How you doing?
I'm good, how are you?
Good. Good to see you.
You too.
Which way do I go here? Exit all sorts. Am I even going right there? I don't know where the fuck I've gone though. It's not a normal way, is it?
No. I think you've just skipped stuff.
Yeah. Just skip the passport bit.
You did. You actually did.
No way. Oh shit, really?
Yeah.
Oh. How did that happen?
You went the wrong way.
What the fuck? That's a bit too easy, isn't it?
Fucking hell.
We went for lunch at Wetherspoons. Somehow managed to make it through the border without going through any passport control. Now to go and see Joe and Megan. Oh, look, he's all professional. There's all glasses on and everything. And it was time for the last leg of the journey. But the world got dark and I got tired, so I slept here with these trucks. What do you reckon is British grass, Sempo? Good grass, ain't it? Eh?
$500 meters, sharp left.
Just close your eyes, and when you wake up, you know what you need to do. Just close
We'll leave her in there a second. I smell her.
Oh my boy! You look sad. Are you okay? He's on shot lane. He's on shot lane. They won't catch her. Good girl.
Welcome to the UK, Po. It's where Daddy's from. Welcome to the UK. You like it, Po? You like it? You like UK? You like it? You like it?